folks, welcome to this week's video. This is Militano.com and I am your humble host, Tony. Militano.com is a channel that discusses wars, international relations and opinions and the toys used in them. Today, I shall be bringing you a very interesting topic, tactically talking, sniper guns, which are the most reliable. Sniper rifles are a matter of importance in any warfare and they are of great advantage. They are unavoidably a subject in every infantry or special operations. Snipers, whether on long or short range, are the forward eyes of any infantry. But amongst the very many special sniper guns which we have in our world today, which is the most advanced and most potent? Which are the most reliable from bottom to top? If you are ready, as I am ready, come on, let us ride.
Number 10. The Finnish Sako TRG. The Sako TRG is a Finnish long-range sniper rifle. It is one of the best sniper rifles in the world today. It is mainly used by army units and special forces in over 14 countries and of course the Finnish Defense Forces. The Sako TRG-42 is a manually operated bolt-action weapon. This sniper rifle is availably chambered for .300 Winchester Magnum and .338 Lapua Magnum cartridges. It comes with a 690mm barrels. The Sako TRG-42 has an effective range of 1,500 meters. The Finnish Defense Forces designation of this sniper rifle is 8.6 TKIV 2000. Number 9. The Austrian Style 69. The SSG-69 is an Austrian sniper rifle specially designed for military and law enforcement forces. The weapon was adopted by the Austrian army as a standard sniper weapon in 1969. This weapon has proved its class as a very accurate and thus is being used in a number of countries like Argentina, Chile, Greece, India, Indonesia, and a host of others. The Star SSG-69 is a bolt-action weapon. It is chambered for a standard Napo 7.6 by 51 mm cartridges and has an effective range of about 800 meters. Number 8. The Russian Ursus T5000 rifle. The Ursus T5000 is the latest sniper rifle designed by the private Russian company Promo Technology. Rifle bolt is distinguished by a longitudinal sliding. It is rotary and conveniently locks to two combat stops in front. The barrel is made of stainless steel. The rifling is created using tape strip planning technology. The force required to lower the hook is adjustable within 600 to 900 grams or 1.1.5 kg. The forearm has a special design for mounting bipods. There are also brackets for the lens attachment for aiming before firing. Number 7. The M110 SASS. The M110 SASS is an American semi-automatic sniper rifle designated marksman rifle. The sniper rifle is developed by Knight Armament Company in a 7.62 by 51 mm NATO rounds. It was introduced to the US SOT community in 2008 when US Army soldiers from Task Force Fury in Afghanistan used them in a combat zone. The M110 is considered as one of the most advanced sniper rifles in the world. Year designed 2007. Cartridge 7.62 by 51 mm NATO. Action gas operated rotating bolt. Rate of fire semi-automatic. Muzzle velocity 783 ms. Effective range 800 meters, that is 875 yards. Feed system: 10 or 20 rounds detachable box magazine. Number 6. The M40 family. The M40 family is a standard issue sniper rifle in the United States Marine Corps. It is a bolt-action sniper rifle introduced into service in 1966. Since its introduction, it has had 4 modifications and variants: the M40, the M40A1, the M40A3, and the M40A5. The upgrade to the A1 model was done in the 1970s, the A3 in the 2000s, and the A5 in 2009. Each M40 is built from a Remington 700 bolt action rifle and is modified by the USMC Armories at Marine Corps Base in Quantico, USA, using components from a number of suppliers. The M40A5 are being built and A1s are upgraded to A3s and A5s are rotated into the armory for service and repairs. Year designed: 1966. Cartridge: 7.68 by 51 mm NATO. Rate of fire: 6 rpm. Muzzle velocity: 777 ms. Effective range: 800 meters. Feed system: 5 rounds integral box magazine, 10 rounds removable box. Sight: Scout Sniper Day Scope SSDS. Chimit and Brenda PM. Number 5. The AX50. The AS-50 sniper rifle was primarily designed for the British Armed Forces and the United States Navy SEALs. It was employed due to its high rate of fire. The AS-50 was manufactured by British firearms producers Accuracy International and chambered in a .50 BMG caliber. The sniper rifles enables operators to engage targets at a very long range with high accuracy using explosive or incendiary ammunition. The AS-50 employs a gas-operated semi-automatic action and muzzle brake, allowing for lower recoil. Year designed: 2007. Cartridge: .50 BMG. Action: gas-operated direct impingement. Rate of fire: semi-automatic. Estimated at 5 rounds per 1.6 seconds. Effective range: 1,800 meters. Feed system: 5 or 10 rounds detachable box magazine. Number 4. The Macmillan TAC-50. The Macmillan TAC-50 sniper rifle was produced as a military and law enforcement weapon, which designated as the C-15. The rifle is also a standard long-range sniper weapon (LRSW) of the Canadian Forces since 2000. Rifles of the TAC-50 family are capable of outstanding accuracy and guaranteed to provide a 0.5 MOA groups with match-grade ammunitions. The TAC-50 sniper rifle is manufactured in Phoenix, Arizona, in the United States by Macmillan Firearms Manufacturing. This long-range anti-materiel, anti-personnel weapon is based on previous designs by same company. The first TAC-50 appeared in the late 1980s. Year designed: 1980s. Cartridge: .50 BMG. Action: manually operated rotated bolt action. Muzzle velocity: 805 ms. Effective firing range: 1,800 meters, and that is 1,970 yards. Feed system: 5 rounds detachable box magazine. Sights: customizable 5 to 25 times telescopic sight, standard in Canadian Forces. Number 3. The Accuracy International AWM, that is the Arctic Warfare Magnum. The Accuracy International AWM is one of the most recognized sniper rifles among the Special Forces community. The rifle is a bolt-action styled and designed for Magnum rifle cartridge chamberings. The AWM is also unofficially known as AWSM, Active Warfare Super Magnum, which typically denotes AWM rifles chambered in .338 Lapua Magnum. In 2012, the AWM .338 Lapua Magnum rifle was phased out and replaced by the AX338 rifle. Year designed 1996. Cartridge .300 Winchester Magnum, .338 Lapua Magnum. Action, bolt action. Effective range 1100 meters, and that is 1203 yards. Winchester Magnum 1500 meters, and that is 1640 yards. .33 Lapua Magnum. Fit system: 5 rounds detachable box magazine. Sights: detachable aperture type iron sights. Day or night optics. Number 2. The Barrett 107 family. The Barrett 107 is a .50 caliber shoulder-high semi-automatic sniper rifle. The sniper has a manageable recoil for a weapon of its size, owing to the barrel assembly that itself absorbs a force moving towards the receiver against a large spring with every shot. The M107 has other family members, like the M82, M82A1, and they are all known as the Barrett Light 50 of the M107. The designation of the M107 has in many ways supplanted earlier models, with it being voted as one of the top 10 military inventions in 2005 by the US military, and it's one of the most advanced sniper rifles in the world today. Year designed 1980. Cartridge .50 BMG. Action, bolt action. Effective firing range 1829 meters. Fit system: 11 rounds detachable box magazine. Sights: day or night optics. Number 1. And the number 1 today is the Shetak intervention. The Shetak intervention is number 1 on our list and is considered a star among sniper rifles. An American-made bolt-action rifle manufactured by Shetak LLC is one of the favorite and exciting buys in the market today. It is fed by a 7-round detachable sink-stack magazine. It is chambered for .408 Shetak or .375 Shetak ammunitions. The manufacturer states that it is capable of delivering a sub-MOA accuracy at ranges of up to 2,500 yards. This is one of the longest ranges of all modern sniper rifles in the world. The design is based on the EDM Arms Windrunner, and it can be found in various variants: the M200, the M200 Cabin, the M200 CIV Civilian, the M200 RK, the M310 SS, a single shot, and the M310 Arrow, meaning repeater. Year designed 2001. Cartridge .400 Shetak or .375 Shetak. Action, bolt action. Effective ranges 200 plus meters M200, 2000 plus meters the M200 Cabin, 1500 meters the M200 CIV Civilian, the 1800 plus meters the M310 single shots, and 1800 meters is the M310 repeaters. Feed system: 7-round detachable box magazine. Sights: day or night optics.
Alright folks, welcome back from that video. I hope you learned one or two things. If you do not agree with my list, come on, hit me up on the comment section and let us keep talking about this. You know, we can't actually exhaust topics like this. And also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification button so that you will be the first to get notice of our videos as we drop them out every week. Also, like and share this video, and together let us build a world that we will be proud of. And until I come your way again next week with another very scintillating video, remember that wars are senseless and peace priceless. Until next week, bye.